So I got another eBay swag box recently, and I think the email said what I was going to get it in, but I don't remember anymore. So I am going to be as surprised as you are. I think this is for the recent eBay big event, whatever they called it. I tried to participate, but you needed some stupid code to join the sessions. I couldn't figure out how to get to the sessions or use the code, so I just shrugged and gave up. But this is big. Let's see what we got here. I think this is just a giant bag. Oh, that's right. That's what they call it. eBay Open 25. Wow. eBay's been around for 30 years now, apparently. Darn cat's trying to ruin my couch as I record this. He knows I hit when my back turns, so he's going to do bad things. But, yeah, it's a pretty big bag. It's, I don't know how big that is. You can fit a small microwave in there. My goodness. Doubt it'd be able to handle the weight of a small microwave, but might be decent for small parcels, packages. Got a cloth bag with basically the same thing on it. A little flimsy, but it's not terrible. Some stickers. I think we'll just keep it at wide angle. And just a thank you card. There's a QR code there if you want to see what I missed. What else do we get? Pen, which yeah, it just says open 25. So if that ever gets lost or mixed up, I guess it'll just be a mystery. Packing paper, which I'll probably end up using. And I suspect this is a water bottle. Yeah. Actually nice. This is weird. A sticker? Why is there a sticker on the bottom? I don't understand what the purpose of the sticker is. It's not even lined in the middle. Let's see if I can take it off. Stuck on pretty good. Oh well, it'll fall off after so many washings. But little water bottle. Not sure what this weird guard's about. Let's see how hard it is to open. Oh, there's a straw. That'll get dirty and gross fast, I'm sure. Boop. Put that in its hole. Oops, already broke the straw. Kinked it. But, yeah, just normal water bottle. Apparently this water bottle is sus, though. Sus 304. Don't know what that means. Oh, it might actually be insulated. Can't. Or maybe not insulated, but there might be a small gap. That does not feel like my fingers would be touching. Interesting. I may or may not end up using this. We'll find out. Oh wow, that's a little vent hole and it seals up nice. But I don't know, it's free and I can't complain despite not liking eBay, but hopefully that was interesting and thanks for watching.